Okay. All right. What's inside of your lap book? Show me, Caleb.
Percy.
Wow. There's a Percy coloring?
Yes.
Nice. What are these? Can you tell me these?
Gun little car.
Oh, great.
Copper. Car. And then cattle car.
Can you speak louder, Caleb?
Cattle car.
Cattle car. Okay. And what are these? These here. Things that start with T.
And car. And a train. Train. Turntable tunnel. Trestle track.
All right.
Now it's this.
How about this? What does it say?
What is it called? A caboose.
A caboose. Yeah.
Wow.
And what are these? These are what? Like
a choo-choo. A peanut pack sat on a railroad track. Along came a choo-choo. Choo-choo, peanut butter, peanut pita.
Something like that. And this one, what is in here?
Nice.
Can you show me?
I'm going to show you it.
Good job. How about inside? Can we see the inside again? Can you do the train opposite? What are those?
Long was small. Short was long. Long was short. Old, new. Uphill, downhill. Sunshine,
Day,
and night.
darkness,
Darkness, daylight. City,
Uh-oh, is this, yeah.
or city.
Very good. And are these your vocabulary words? Can you show it to me? Wow, look at that.
Freight, all aboard, conductor, turntable, brown house, station, train. What is that?
Is that train? What does it say here?
Track.
No, let's read it.
Caboose.
Yeah.
Caboose.
Good. Very good, Caleb.